You don't need a $10,000 system to experience real high-fidelity audio. In fact, in 2026, the gap between budget and high-end has never been smaller. Today, I'm building the ultimate starter hi-fi setup for under $500 that will absolutely embarrass your plastic Bluetooth speaker. Let's get into it. We need the heart of the system. For 2026, I'm recommending the Marantz PM6007NE. Why? Because it's a buy once, cry once component. It features a high-quality built-in DAC and a phono stage, meaning you don't need to buy extra boxes to plug in your computer or your turntable. It delivers that classic warm Marantz sound that makes digital streaming sound, well, human. An amp is only as good as what it's driving. For the best value right now, the Wharfedale Diamond 9.1s are still the kings. Even in 2026, these are the giant killers. They provide a mid-range clarity that is unheard of at this price point. If you have a smaller desk setup, look at the Dolly Cupid. They are punchy, energetic, and small enough to fit anywhere without sacrificing the soundstage. For your source, most of you will start with streaming. Pro tip: use a Weem mini streamer. It's cheap, supports bit-perfect audio, and lets you control everything from your phone. If you're going the analog route, the Audio-Technica LP60X remains the safest budget bet for 2026. It's plug and play and won't damage your records. Don't forget the 10% rule. Spend 10% of your budget on decent cables and placement. Getting your speakers off the desk and onto some basic isolation pads will give you 20% better bass response for less than 20 bucks. I've linked my favorite budget isolation feat in the description below. This setup proves you don't need a massive budget to enjoy professional sound. All the gear mentioned today, including the best current prices, is linked in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more hi-fi guides. What's your current setup? Let me know in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching.